Hello and welcome to Reclaim Matt. This is my first voiceover video, so if you like it, please feel free to leave me a message in the comment section letting me know. What you're going to see me unwrap here is a knife that's had better days. It was the knife of a grandfather, and now that he's passed away, a colleague of mine is hoping I can clean it up a bit so he can pass it on to his children. The first step in this process is going to be me taking the knife to the water wheel. This is a higher grit, but it will start grinding out many of the imperfections in the blade. I'm now moving on to a water wheel with a higher grit to continue the polishing process. After the water wheels, I move on to sandpaper. I'm starting off with a 320 grit, but will be working my way up to at least 600 grit to continuing the polishing process and to give the blade hopefully a bit of a shine. Here I'm adding a bevel with a sharpening rod. And here I am returning to the same machine that I started the whole process with. I'm now using the leather wheel on the opposite side, which has been impregnated with a polishing compound. I find that this final step really makes a big difference in getting a very sharp edge. Yep, I think this will do just fine. Now it's time to turn our attention to the sheath. At some point, somebody decided it was a good idea to cut a piece of leather out of this sheath. As it's part of the object's history, I don't want to change it. So we'll just stabilize it using some leather glue and some clamps. Now that the glue has set, we'll take off the clamps, do a little bit of a cleanup, and then we'll start treating the sheath. To treat the sheath, I'm going to use a product that I got from Doc Martens several years ago. It not only protects the leather, but will condition it as well. We'll follow it up with some light buffing to make sure that no excess product stays on the leather. And this is the final product, a tool that it's ready to use, but that still retains all the character it has accrued over the several years of its life.